Hello friends, my name is Ankur and welcome to my channel. Friends, recently we had started our English speaking course and in that course we had completed 41 lessons. So friends, today we are going to start English speaking part 42 and we are going to discuss about some important points which we have to remember while speaking English language. So friends, let's start. English speaking part 42. Now we have to remember some important points while speaking English language. Remember means in Hindi याद रखें. What do you say? In English, I do not know what you say. So friends, if sentence is in present, so we have to answer that in present only. What did you say? I do not remember what you said. In this case, you can see past tense is coming. So we have to answer that in past tense only. What had you said? I do not remember what you had said. Here third form has come and we are going to give answer in third form. What is this? In English, tell me what this is. So they are basically asking question. So what is this? Tell me what this is. What was that? In English, tell me what that was. So friends, they are asking question in past tense. So what was that? In English, tell me what that was. I do not know who is he. Now it will convert into interrogative sentence. Who is he? You can see who is coming in first place. Tell me whom you want. In English, whom do you want? You can see, friends, they are asking whom you want. So we will directly ask question in the form, whom do you want? Tell me whose book that was. In English, whose book was that? Because they are asking about books, so we have to ask the question directly in the form of book. That whose book was that? I do not know how old are you? In English, how old are you? Since they are friend asking about the age of another person, so we are going to directly ask the age in question. Tell me how she knew. In English, how did she know? Friends, they are asking that how she knew about that person. So directly in English we have to ask how did she know. We have to put did and we have to put know in present form. We never put knew, how did she knew. We always put how did she know. You did not say whom you had promised. In English, whom had you promised? So they are basically saying, friends, that you have not said that you had promised. So in questionable form or in interrogative form, it means whom had you promised. वहाँ कौन है? In English, who is there? So friends, in Hindi, they are asking वहाँ पे कौन है? So in English, who is there? आगरा कौन गया? In English, who went to Agra? आगरा कौन गया है फ्रेंड्स? तो ये पास्ट में है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट विल डायरेक्टली कन्वर्ट इनटू पास्ट टेंस, मीन्स हु वेंट टू आगरा. यहाँ कौन आएगा? इन इंग्लिश, हु विल कम हियर. सो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज ए फ्यूचर टेंस. वी आर नॉट श्योर हु विल कम हियर. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स हु विल कम हियर, मीन्स यहाँ कौन आएगा. मेज पर कौन सी पुस्तक है? इन इंग्लिश, विच बुक इज ऑन द टेबल. सो फ्रेंड्स, इन हिंदी दे आर आस्किंग दैट कौन सी किताब मेज पर रखी हुई है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स विच बुक इज ऑन द टेबल. इट इज़ ए प्रेजेंट टेंस. कौन सी पुस्तक मेरी है? इन इंग्लिश, विच बुक इज़ माइन. सो फ्रेंड्स, दे आर बेसिकली आस्किंग मेरी कौन सी किताब है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स विच बुक इज़ माइन. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो ए प्रेजेंट टेंस एंड दे आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस. आपका कौन सा कुत्ता है? इन इंग्लिश, विच इज़ योर डॉग. सो फ्रेंड्स, इन हिंदी दे आर सेइंग दैट आपका कौन सा कुत्ता है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स विच इज़ योर डॉग. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो ए प्रेजेंट टेंस. मैं उस लड़की से मिला जो मॉनिटर है. इन इंग्लिश, आई मेट द गर्ल हु इज़ अ मॉनिटर. तो इन दिस सेंटेंस दे आर सेइंग मैं उस लड़की से मिला जो मॉनिटर है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स इट इज़ बेसिकली पास्ट टेंस. आई मेट द गर्ल हु इज़ अ मॉनिटर. जो पुस्तक तुम चाहते हो चुन लो. इन इंग्लिश, सेलेक्ट द बुक विच यू वॉन्ट. सो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज बेसिकली प्रेजेंट टेंस बिकॉज दे आर सेइंग दैट जो भी पुस्तक तुम्हें चाहिए उसको आप चुन लो. दे आर ऑर्डरिंग अस. इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स सेलेक्ट द बुक विच यू वॉन्ट. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये था इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग का पार्ट 42 जिसमें मैंने आपको कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स बताए हैं जो हमें याद रखने चाहिए वाइल स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. दे आर बेसिक पॉइंट्स विच नीड्स टू बी रिमेंबर्ड वाइल वी डू कन्वर्सेशन विद अनदर पर्सन. दे आर बेसिक्स ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. So friend, it is about present, past and future tense which needs to be remembered while we are speaking in front of another person. So I had, friends, I told you about present tense. What do you say? So it will convert directly into present tense, and in past tense, then the answer will also convert directly into past tense. And when there is a questionable form sentence, so we will directly ask that question, means I do not know who is he. So in English directly we will ask who is he. So these are वहाँ कौन है means who's there. So we are directly asking questions. So friends, मुझे आशा करता हूँ कि मेरे इस प्रयास से फ्रेंड्स आपको कुछ बेसिक्स ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज यानी प्रेजेंट पास्ट टेंस के बारे में काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी प्राप्त हुई होगी. तो फ्रेंड्स, काइंडली लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड डू प्रेस बेल आइकन in bell icon too. And friends, I will also share my Instagram and Facebook link in the description box below. So friends, you gave us valuable time, friends. Have a nice day.